What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to level 4 of Fabric Box on Cut the Rope. If you needed help with any other levels though on Cut the Rope, check the first link in the description and I have a playlist with all the other walkthroughs for every single level, including a video that has every level of Fabric Box in there if you want to just breeze through it and just watch that and get all the levels done and 3-star quickly in less than 15 minutes. But moving on to the purpose of this video, which is level 4, we're just going to jump right into it and I can show you exactly what to do. So we have the lined ropes on this one. What you're going to end up doing is just cut the rope on the right and then the rope on the left, giving you enough momentum to get that star on the left right below the balloon. You're going to continue to use the balloon to basically just pass it along these dotted lines with the ropes under it, so you can get that star that's in the bubble there and just have it glide up and also get that star that's on the right. And then from here, once it's on the last rope in the bubble, it looks a little off center, but you'll still be able to cut it and it will still be in range for it to go in Omnom's mouth. Like I said, with all levels with balloons, you just got to use a little bit of momentum, and once you get the hang of balloons, it should be no problem for you to complete. If you did have any questions though, or were confused on how to do so, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that though, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.